If your Oral-B IO toothbrush is showing a blinking orange light, this is an important battery warning that you need to understand. The orange blinking light specifically means your battery is running low and needs to be charged soon. This warning typically appears when your battery level drops below 15 to 20%, giving you advance notice to charge your device. There are two distinct blinking patterns that indicate different battery levels. A slow blinking orange light indicates your battery is between 10 and 20%. You have some time, but should plan to charge soon. A rapid blinking orange light means your battery is critically low, below 10%. You should charge immediately to avoid the toothbrush shutting down. The Oral-B IO series uses advanced lithium-ion battery technology with intelligent management systems that monitor charge cycles and prevent overcharging. These batteries are designed to last 2 to 3 years with regular use, and the smart battery management system helps extend their lifespan. This warning system is designed to give you enough advance notice to charge your toothbrush, ensuring you can maintain your daily oral care routine without interruption. The system prevents unexpected shutdowns, helps maintain your oral care routine, and protects the overall health of your battery by encouraging timely charging. Remember, when you see that orange blinking light, it's your toothbrush telling you it's time to charge. This simple warning system helps ensure your oral care routine stays consistent and your battery stays healthy. When your Oral-B IO shows a blinking orange light, start by checking the charging connection. Ensure the toothbrush is properly seated on the charger and that both charging contacts are clean and completely dry. Understanding the charging light indicators is crucial. A solid orange light means charging is in progress, while a solid green light indicates the toothbrush is fully charged. If the orange light continues blinking during charging, there may be a connection issue. If the orange light continues blinking even when properly connected to the charger, try performing a firmware reset. Hold the power button for exactly 10 seconds to reset the device. This resolves many charging-related issues. Temperature plays a crucial role in battery charging. Always charge your Oral-B IO in a moderate temperature environment between 32 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 35 degrees Celsius. Extreme temperatures can prevent proper charging. According to 2024 data, the average user charges their Oral-B IO every 12 to 14 days with regular use. The battery typically lasts 14 days with twice daily brushing for 2 minutes each time. Maintaining this routine helps preserve battery health. If problems persist after trying these troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact Oral-B support. Professional assistance may be needed if the battery continues to malfunction despite proper charging procedures and maintenance.